Good day everyone. Welcome. Please like and subscribe. It may be simple but it is very much appreciated. Today I will share about what reason do escalators have brushes at the lower part of the sidewalls? The two-fold layer nylon brushes along the skirts of escalator guarantees a more secure ride. At the point when fibers of these nylon brushes contact the traveler, they instinctually move to more secure distances. These brushes help the travelers realize that they are on the actual edges of escalators, which might bring about squeezing and capture. It likewise will quite often keep a tire, baggage or free dress away from the skirts. Escalator brushes are introduced on the sides of escalators and moving walkways to hold individuals back from standing excessively near the edges. Loose, low-hanging clothing, shoelaces, soft-soled shoes, and other such things are in danger of becoming trapped in the moving track or moving steps, so these brushes are intended to give a delicate suggestion to individuals to remain at a safe distance from the moving edges.